How to log out of Roblox account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Mesnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of Roblox account. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. In order to log out of Roblox account, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open up Roblox on your device. Now I'm on the mobile, so you can open up Roblox mobile. Once you'll be at the home page, right? At the home page, at the bottom you can see list of different icons, the options there. At the bottom right, you can see the three dots option or the three dots icon. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be headed to this page where it says more. Under more, what you want to do now is you want to scroll down all the way down below, and at the very bottom you'll be able to see the logout option. Simply tap on logout. It'll ask you for confirmation. You want to confirm that you want to log out, and once you do so, your account will get logged out. So this way you can log out of your Roblox account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.